running a business and sometimes struggling to know where you should be investing your money, your marketing, where's your returns going to come from, and how can you get your sales up and going again? I've been in contact with so many business people that have invested thousands of dollars at the wrong time or in the wrong order when it came to their marketing strategy. This is how Lustosa Marketing can help you, because our culture is based on valuing uniqueness. We believe that any business can stand out from the crowd by being unique. Marketing is like a big puzzle, and all the different tactics out there are pieces of this puzzle. We want to partner with your business to actually help you put this puzzle together in a way that's going to deliver the goals that you want to achieve. And that's why lots of business owners are struggling today with their marketing, because they don't know where to start and what to do next. And that's where we can help you. So what should you do next? We believe this needs to be a win-win partnership. So your first appointment with me is free, so we can go through your business goals. What are you trying to achieve? And we can see what we can bring to the table and tailor a strategy and a plan for your unique business.